So I'm here on the Internet Archive, archive.org. You may have heard in the news recently that there's been a few issues. I remember checking a few days ago, and I wanted to access a archived version of a website because the article had been deleted, but I wasn't able to actually get into the website. It was just the continuous spinning wheel, and the page would never load, so it was just left this white screen, not like this, just a completely white screen. I ended up seeing in my newsfeed that they were under some sort of attack, and that was affecting their ability to work. And since then, this message has come up. There's been a few different variations. Before, it just had these icons on the side and just said the Internet Archive was offline. Since then, they've had Wayback Machine Archived and blog.archive.org, which they have now added, so those do function. So I can, for example, use the Wayback Machine and access that normally now. And they'll be putting some information down here as well, so you can use Twitter, Blue Sky, etc. to access information. And it looks like they are starting to get everything back online. They've said that nothing has been lost, but obviously been quite a bit of inconvenience over the last week or so to actually be able to access anything, because that's all been gone. I know there's a lot of stuff that's on the Internet Archive as files, that archive versions of all sorts of stuff that obviously we can't access anymore. Wayback Machine is good that is online, because that means we can use a few past versions of websites. I wonder if actually archive.org is archived. Maybe we can check that. No, that's not how you spell. Let's fix that. Yeah, there's actually quite a lot of backups of archive.org going all the way to 1996. I've never seen a website go back that far on archive.org before. It makes the sense for a good one to start off with, given that it is your own website. And you can see October 18th. So it isn't working at the moment. Wayback Machine version read only, so maybe it can't archive it, it's just read only. And that would be why that's not working. It's currently the 20th. Nothing since, so it's all sort of disappeared. Obviously they aren't archiving anything new, but there's still a few previous versions that you can access. So I wonder how long it's going to take before everything gets back online. Obviously you can't access everything like this. Although I imagine an Internet Archive, lots of pages have been archived on Wayback Machine. You can probably view some of the files that you can't access on the Internet Archive through the Wayback Machine, although I'm not sure whether they would back that up, because there's quite a lot of very large files on the Internet Archive. So if you try to access those on here, they're basically storing two versions of those large files. Obviously with all of these files, they probably do have multiple versions, or they might probably use some deduplication thing where they just link it if it's the same file as before. But that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and ideas, views, and subscribe so we see videos like this in the future.